Hey guys, coming back with a box break, 2007 Artifacts baseball. Actually haven't posted a box break on here in a while. Figured to go ahead and do this one. Alright, here we go. There's what the base cards look like, in case nobody's seen that. Rookie card of Jerry Owens. All base. Insert rookie card of Ryan Sweeney. All base. Rookie card of Jeff Salazar. Decoy. Rookie of Justin Hampson. This one's got a head in it. Patch card of Todd Helton, numbered 22 out of 50. It's actually pretty nice. Got black, white, black on the left. That's a pretty nice looking little card. Real thick. That'll be for trade if anybody's interested in that. Let me know. Jersey card of Roy Oswalt, numbered 61 out of 199. Nice pinstripe on there. Sean Henn rookie card. Autograph of Garrett Atkins for the Rockies. I think I've pulled one of those before. That's for trade if anybody's interested in that one. Juan Salas rookie card. Andy Cannizaro rookie. And the last pack. Phil Humber rookie card. And a jersey card of Travis Hafner, numbered out of 199. That card is also for trade if anybody's interested. Delman Young rookie card. So overall not too bad. Still waiting to get a good hit. Busted quite a few boxes of these in the past, so it's not too bad. Bad looking Todd Helton patch card. So alright, that'll do it. Thanks.